on today's episode of How the Hell Are We Gonna Fix That? 2017 Porsche 911 Carrera. It's really easy as a PDR guy to fix some big dents, look really good. They're good before and afters. And you start thinking, all right, I'm the man. And then someone brings you a Porsche. Nothing tucks the tail between your legs quicker than spending 9 hours on a dent that big on a Porsche bodyline. Now, these people that brought this car to me, super nice couple. I'm glad that they trusted me with their car. I was able to get it 98%. There was actually 3 dents on the car, but the one on the body line was the one that I spent all day on. I was happy with how it turned out. Still better than taking it to the body shop, but man, nothing humbles you or makes you remember where you came from like working on a tiny dent on a Porsche. Anyways, all in all, happy with how it turned out. Hope the customer's happy. Dentproof shirts, saddles in my bio.